His face. Did you see his face, Uncle David?
Nana, go with you. Push it. Ready? Push it. Hold on. Oh, now you're scared. Mommy's coming with you.
Don't be.
That. Did you hear us cry? Oh, Cole. Mommy's booty face.
Yikes.
Hold on. Here we go. Oh, it's in high speed. I don't think this is what Fisher Price had in mind.
No, I don't think so either.
We're going uphill. It's struggling a little.
And there are all the people watching the child ride around on the Fisher Price toy.
Mostly watching Amanda. Yeah. Come on, this will work. Did you hear what I said?
I did.